Hello everyone, the Indian Pengu here. So if you're still using the old type of commands like you were in 2010, it's time to change. Today I'll show you 5 Linux commands which you can use in 2026 that can change your productivity totally. So let's get started. The first command we have is tldr. So traditionally we use man command, but man pages are accurate but they are painful to read. They are long, formal, and most of the time you just want one working example. That's exactly what tldr does. So if I show you the uses of tldr, and so here you can see that it is showing a very minimal amount of information which you want to read, and directly the commands that you can use for that particular command. So that's very quick, and definitely it will save you a lot of time when you want a crash course on any command. Next we have command dust, which is used for disk uses that actually make sense. So the classic du commands technically works, but reading it also feels like a puzzle as well. So if I show you maybe du with human readable format, so as you can see we have multiple directory, and if you want to see like what directory is taking, it is a lot of trouble. You have to scroll a lot and you have to see like what directory is taking the max amount of space. Instead what you can use is command dust. So let me just open the information for this. This will give you an instant overview of which directories are using disk space. So let's just type my home directory and boom. So this will show you which folders are eating your disk in a visualized assorted tree manner. Look at this beautiful chart. It's very human readable and it's a way to go. Next we have btop. So if I show you btop information, it is a resource monitor that showed information about CPU, memory, disk, network, and processes. And it is not mentioned here, but it also shows you about the GPUs that you are using, along with information that is specific to the GPUs. So traditionally we use top, htop, and for GPUs we use NVIDIA SMI, but if you want to use btop, it will show you a combined beautiful interface which you can replace and use it in your workflow if you want a combined information. So let's just type it. Okay, here we go. So we can see all of the CPU information is available here, along with the temperatures for each core, as well as if you see the GPU information, which in my case I have 2 GPUs, so that information is also present along with the voltage uses. And also you can see the memory uses, disk uses, and the process data running along with the network information. So this is all in one beautiful interface, which is very recommended. The next command we have is the prox command. So it is basically a replacement for the ps traditional command, where the output is cluttered, the flags are cryptic, and there is no colors, no hierarchy, or no context. So let me just type to show you ps aux. So here you can see it is very cluttered and very not visually good information that I can see. Instead what I can use is prox command. So let me just type in prox -tree. So as you can see here, we can see the hierarchy as well, and also you can see this is a very clean interface for the processes. Also it shows the CPU and memory uses in a cleaner way, along with the PIDs and which are running under which processes. So it is a very cleaner way to visualize and see what processes are running. Last but not the least, the secret weapon behind fast Linux users. So have you ever felt like you wanted to search and you want to search the history of files or git branches or processes? You have to search in a lot of files, you need to remember the names. What if you don't remember the name? Then you have to scroll down a lot and then you're able to find the command of files. What if I told you there's another command which is a game changer for this flow? So if I show you one of the use case, like I want to check what commands I have been using in my history, and it is related to something like NVIDIA. So let's just do this. So it allows me to just find it fuzzily and let's see how it goes. So I want to search NVIDIA keyword. So here you can see I have run a lot of commands related to NVIDIA, and those all of are visible. So I want to see one of the command where I ran the SMI command along with some of the information which gives me extra information about NVIDIA SMI. So here we have multiple commands which I wanted to find. So it's a game changer workflow. These 5 tools completely replaced classic Linux commands for me. If you want a part 2 with even crazier tools and commands, hit like and subscribe and comment down below as well. Thank you.